Back again so soon. Y'all ready for another video?
Your boy's back at it.
Let's go. Ooh, so spicy. Welcome to the show. Welcome back, friends. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video with your boy. My name's Chris. If you're new here, we do Mark 7 GTI content. We do Jetta content. We go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, go down there, hit that subscribe button, join the family. We're growing fast. We're almost to 600 subscribers. That's an intro. All right, bros. Today, we're doing something good. Oh, as I told you in the last video, I still have two or three videos to edit, so by the time you see this, I don't know. Either way, your boy's busy, on the grind for you, as always. So today what we're doing is I'm tinting the taillights because I got that tint film. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tint these and these to match that. That way it all kind of ties in a little bit better with the black diffuser. The lights will be close to black, and then that won't look like black wrap anymore. It'll actually be tinted, so that matches as well. And we'll get the ass end cleaned up a little bit, and then I've got skirts coming in the mail, and I've got a lip coming in the mail, and we got the fresh meats on the front looking good. So yeah, bro. I've never used tint wrap before. I did the first window tint, and it actually came out really good. I did 5% on the car, and I gotta finish up a couple little spots like the quarter windows, but it came out really good. Don't bang your boy if it comes out like shit, because I've never done this before. I can't imagine it's any different than like regular vinyl wrap, and we'll do a wet application. So things you might need, I got my water sprayer, but you could use any kind of water, glass cleaner, just to clean it all together and have it dry. I got a heat gun to stretch the film. I've got a lightweight squeegee, flexible, stainless steel blade, good for cutting, and that's really all I need, man. A couple towels to just clean it up and stuff, and I think we can do it with that. So let's get into it, bro. Hopefully this is actually a quick video. It's not gonna be anything crazy, but let's do it. Step one, wipe down the lights. Make sure you get all the edges clean, because if the edges have any kind of dirt on them, when you go to tuck the film on the edges, it's not gonna seat properly and it's gonna pull back. So keep that in mind. So when you wrap, you're gonna wanna do, because it's two separate lights, you're gonna wanna do them individually, but I don't know, so let's do it. Imagine if this was actually as quick as I said it was. I feel like a home cooking show, like, oh, Rachel Ray, hey baby, so today we'll be cooking French roast. Yikes, let's do it. Moisty, moisty, about half of it off. Anchor it, just like so. Put that in my car, because you don't litter, unless you're a monster. First, we're trying to, I know you want to work in the center of the flattest surface, so start in the middle and work our way out, right? Also, if you get bubbles and stuff underneath it, don't be afraid to pull it back, and just be gentle with it. And if you have to reheat it and stretch it back out, just do that. It's better to do that than have bubbles. Holy shit, we're doing it, boys. We're doing pretty good. Easy, just take your time. Don't rush, and it'll come out good. Have faith. Also, it makes it a little bit easier if you like go through and cut little sections, like leave a good distance, but if you have to make little recess cuts, and it allows you to kind of stretch it apart a little bit and out, if you have to work the direction to get it like stretched the best, that's also a good option. So keep that in mind. So let's hope it goes good, because I still don't know what I'm doing. Stay along the line of the car. It's coming out pretty good. Doing all right. Oh, your boy did it! Let's go! Oh! There's a couple little bubbles. We just gotta get the rest of the stuff to tuck, but yeah, if you have a problem with it not sitting properly, you just gotta keep heating it, and when it pulls back, just keep working out the little fingers, and yeah, not too bad, but peep how it looks, bro. Oh, dirty. It's gonna look so good, bro. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, what? Oh, rib bucket. But that's pretty good, bro. My first time by myself, not bad. And I'll go by when I go around and I have all of them done, hit them with the heat gun one more time when all the water's cured out a little bit, and tuck all the corners, and yeah. Ooh, so spicy, so spicy. Ooh, so spicy. All right, let's get the next one going.
my god. Is that a Volkswagen?
Oh, she looks scary, dude. She looks real scary. I love it. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Oh, hello. We gotta make a quick trip to the grocery store and grab some stuff for dinner. But it came out super good. I'm super hyped. Everything that I said that I thought was a good tip ended up being a good tip, and it came out super good. And if anything doesn't seat on the corners, just keep heating it like lightly. Less heat is better, and then just keep pushing it out, all the air out until it just all the air out until completely lays flat. But it came out pretty good. But we're gonna go to the store real quick, and then I'll take a thumbnail, and it'll I'll let you know how it looks. I'm excited. Oh, bro, she's looking spicy, all murdered. Oh, it looks so sick. We still got to do the bottom ones, and I'm gonna get the badge cleaned up and stuff because there's like a little nick in the paint right there. Get that cleaned up. Getting ready for the Cars and Coffee show. She's gonna be looking spicy, bro. I love it. It's very white Batmobile vibes. I love it. So as of right now, we will jump to tomorrow, and I will finish the bottom, and we'll see how it looks and get some little edit montage. So let's jump to there right now. Oh, welcome to day 2. I just wake up. I look like a bum. What is good, brothers? Oh, sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. Dude, it came out fire. I had a couple little spots that kind of wrinkled up. You can't even really see it though. It came out really good, not gonna lie. For my first time, your boy killed it. Not bad. So now we're just gonna do the little bottom reflectors, which if you don't know, there's like 3 clips on the backside. You just give it behind it and pop all those out. So we'll get those out so that way it matches and it'll look a little bit better because it looks kind of off right now with the black. But dude, she's looking menacing. Menacing. I'm also gonna get rid of the MBRP badge. I just did that for a video, but booty will be looking nice and clean. I'm all about it. All right, let's get it. Oh, trim piece. Oh, another trim piece. Very nice. Ready for the satisfyingness? Oh, yes. Oh no. Welcome to the show. And we back, and we back, and we back. Oh yeah. Get that done in like what? 3 minutes? No bubbles. All the edges are tucked. It's very nice. Granted, this is the easiest thing you could wrap. Bro, shout out to you guys. I love you guys. I'm almost at 600 subscribers already. That's like, that's wild. Where are we at right now in life, you know? I met New England Pete. I filmed the video with him already. I've surpassed 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I've got a beautiful car. My first built car. Man, this is sick. This is dope. Just a kid out here from Vermont, brother. Living the dream. Started with a GoPro. We got a nice camera now. Sheesh. Damn. Yeah, shout out to you guys. I can't do this without you. And tell your friends about the channel. Only big things coming from here. So after doing this, this is the company from I got the wrap. But I just ordered it off Amazon. It was only like 11 bucks and like 14 shipped for that big roll that did both the taillights, the reflectors, and I have a tiny bit extra. So like, if you're your first time, I'd probably get 2 rolls just in case you need to redo a light. But yeah, this came out pretty good, and this stuff worked really good. It's got like that air release technology thing. So it's still there, you can't see it, but it came out really good. All right, let's get it put in. Woo! Oh, yo.
What's good, dude? What's up, bro? How we doing?
Chilling.
Bro, the taillights look sick.
Hey, we just saw Corey on the Supermoto. What's up, bro? All right. All right, how we living? Oh, sheesh! Thank you, butt. Dude, it came out mint. Came out super good. It looks really good at nighttime because it looks all black. But now that actually matches, it looks much cleaner. Oh, all clean. I still gotta get it wiped down and toweled down and stuff, but. So, you know what? If you're ever scared to do something, dude, just do it yourself. Fuck what people say. Nobody gives a shit except for you, right? That was really aggressive. Just go out there and do it yourself, brother. Everything on this car. Done by myself, except for the clutch. I'm gonna try to, but we'll see. Be back, boys. Day 3. Show you guys over here. So I didn't want to redo another video that we already did a couple months ago because that's kind of stupid. But I got the new grill in, and then I got the cutout put in for the intake scoop. Oh. 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 Shoo. Shoo. Little subtle flex in there. A little subtle ECS flex. Oh, oh, almost bad. All right, bros. Whoa. Oh. 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 Alright, so we went to my grandmother's last night. My camera died. I ended up editing the video that you guys saw today or yesterday. So I got that all edited for you guys. I will get this video edited and have that up for you tonight. And then I have a couple more mods I'm still waiting on, and picking up something from our boy Cole again, because he just keeps hooking me up and helping me out with little touches here and there, nice little mods. So we're gonna go pick up something for him. We'll have another video on that. So lots of videos coming, bros. Yeah, sorry, I got there and the camera died, and then I was just like, yeah, whatever, I'll just end up editing. And we got back, so this is the next day. We got the intake scoop put on, everything looking tasty. We got most of the tinting done. I gotta finish up some windows, window trim, front lip, skirts, and a couple other little things for Cars and Coffee show, which will be this coming Sunday. And I think that's it. If you guys see me at the show, say what's good. I'll be filming the whole day, and say what's up to your boy, because I love seeing the homies out in the wild, because that's what's up. But yeah, bros, that's it. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's kind of a short one for you. And yeah, we learned how to tint taillights together with taillight wrap, and we killed it, of course. As always, your boy will catch you in the next one. Don't forget, tell a friend about the channel, get them to subscribe, grow the family. Let's do this shit together. We get shit done, do it differently. Don't forget, just keep driving. I love you guys. Your boy will catch you in the next one.